So on this video, I'm going to show you a very quick method on how you can sync to the beat. Very fast method on your Instagram or TikTok reels. So first of all, you make sure that you have imported your clips. Here they are. And then you have your audio ready. This is the audio that we are going to sync in. So we are working with a portrait sequence, and this is our sequence settings. Our frame size is 1080, and then our vertical height, our vertical is 1920. So Instagram accepts 1080 by 1920, so you can make that adjusting. Just come here, click on custom, and then you can change that. Frames per second, it works perfectly with 30 frames per second. So that is the frame that we are working on. So just play the clip, and then on the keyboard be pressing M. It's like you're matching to the beat. Just listen to the beat. First of all, play the beat. Yes, so that's our beat. So we are going to be tapping. It's like a metronome. So this is the idea. So first of all, you hit M, then something like that. So we have that. Okay, I missed some beats there. Let's do it again. So first of all, hit them. Yes, that's more like it. So listen in. So you have these markers. You get these markers by pressing M on the keyboard. Then, according now to the order that you want it, like we have this introduction shot, we can have this shot, and then we have this shot here next of the back, and then now we have this, and then now finally we complete with that. So with that, in that order, pressing the control on the PC or the command key on the Mac. So these are the first shot, second shot, third shot, fourth shot. So you select that and then hold all of them, dragging them to this point here. So this is automate to sequence. Make sure your timeline is here at the start on the first marker. Then on this part, have it on selection order. At this part, at unnumbered markers, because we want these shots to be placed on these markers that we selected. So that's how you do it, and then just click OK. Boom, you're ready. Have your edit ready. Amazing. So we can just adjust these clips just a bit. On this one, you can just, because the clip was short, it's a 4K clip, so we can just adjust it a bit just to make it fit proper, like that, and then like that. So this is it. Yes, now you have it. So you can just come here and then export your video, and it's good to go. The export settings, make sure it's 1080 by 1920 as well. So this is a high quality, a very quick method on how to create your reels on Instagram. See you on the next one.